Let's see where we can find. Let's go on TV, boo.
Man, where do we start? I know that we're in Charlotte now, but I think it started about 10 years ago. Back home in Virginia, you had just started your first year of college and I was going into my second year. We were 19 at the time. It was curiosity at first sight, and then that curiosity developed into a relationship. We met at the movies. It was the first Medea movie, as a matter of fact. And from there, we began talking. I started visiting you up at JMU, and our relationship really began to blossom. After that first meeting at the movies, we've been together ever since. Got married in front of God and family. Moving into our first apartment together. Getting ordained and stepping into a different level of ministry. Vacationing around the world and even moving to a whole new state. Celebrating 5 years of marriage. And spending holidays with family and friends. The love that we share, the joy that we experience, all the different things that we've done have been nothing that I would want to give up. And now we get to experience a whole new adventure.
The best is yet to come.